Recently, the US has granted approval to Holtec International to transfer unclassified small modular reactor technology to 3 Indian private entities. About small modular reactors. Small modular reactors are advanced nuclear reactors that have a power capacity of up to 300 megawatt per unit, which is about one-third of the generating capacity of traditional nuclear power reactors. SMRs, which can produce a large amount of low-carbon electricity, are small, physically a fraction of the size of a conventional nuclear power reactor. Modular, making it possible for systems and components to be factory assembled and transported as a unit to a location for installation. Reactors, harnessing nuclear fission to generate heat to produce energy. Advantages? Many of the benefits are inherently linked to the nature of their design, small and modular. Given their smaller footprint, they can be sited on locations not suitable for larger nuclear power plants. Prefabricated units of these can be manufactured and then shipped and installed on site, making them more affordable to build than large power reactors, which are often custom designed for a particular location, sometimes leading to construction delays. They offer savings in cost and construction time, and they can be deployed incrementally to match increasing energy demand. SMRs and nuclear power plants. SMRs and nuclear power plants offer unique attributes in terms of efficiency, economics, and flexibility. While nuclear reactors provide dispatchable sources of energy, they can adjust output accordingly to electricity demand. Some renewables, such as wind and solar, are variable energy sources that depend on the weather and time of day. SMRs could be paired with and increase the efficiency of renewable sources in a hybrid energy system. These characteristics position SMRs to play a key role in the clean energy transition, while also helping countries address the Sustainable Development Goals. Keep following Sarat Chandra IAS Academy for more update on current affairs.